Hello friends, welcome back to Design and Decorate. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this 2-in-1 puzzle game for kids. Before getting into the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's get started. To make this, you will need popsicle sticks or ice cream sticks, brush pens, marker, and cello tape. I have taken a wooden board to place the sticks one by one and secure it with the cello tape, as you can see. First, I started to sketch the outline of a crab. You can draw whatever your child's favorite is. After sketching, I quickly colored it using the brush pens. If you don't have brush pens, you can also use paint or sketch pens. After coloring it with the orange color, I use the red to give more detail. And also added a black outline using the marker. Last, I have added the numbers on the puzzle pieces so that we can arrange it easily. Now for the second one, turn the sticks and place it on the wooden board. And secure it with the cello tape. I drew a dinosaur on the other side with the same brush pen and marker as shown before. So now a 2-in-1 puzzle is all ready to play. Do try this at home and leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in another video. Until then, bye bye.